Hey loves, here's a quick tutorial on how to create a Shein account in 2025. So it's this simple. First, you're going to go to Play Store on your mobile phone. Once you have done that, you're going to type in these letters SHEIN. So type in Shein, you'll see that black and white icon that comes up, and then you're just going to hit the install button. Depending on your internet connection, it can go either slow or fast. So sometimes it does take a while to install, sometimes it doesn't. So after you see that installed, then you're going to open the app and then you can browse, you can do all that you want to do, but we're not done yet. The process is pretty simple. All you need to do once you open the app, you're going to see sign in or register, and that's what we will be focusing on. So once you see sign in or register, then all you need to do is click the sign in or register button. Let's get into the actual tutorial. So we're now going on the Shein app. We're going to try again. You can click don't allow so you don't get notification on your phone. You're going to choose your country. They have a variety of countries there, so just choose your country that you want. After doing that, you're going to click on the go shopping button, and then it will take you to the actual page. It will take you to the Shein page. So let me just go over it again. So all you need to do, you can click don't allow notification, or you can click allow notification. That's if you want notification on your phone. And then now you're going to click the country that you are in. Once you have done that, you'll see this page and you can go ahead and scroll. But we are not done yet. So what you want to do is to try to find the sign in on the register button, which is at the top left hand corner. So once you have found that, you're going to either put in your email or your phone number and continue, but I like to do it the easier way, so I just click on continue with Google. Once I click on that, a bunch of emails will come up on my screen and I choose the email that I want to use. So once I do that, it will take me to this page. This is the page that it will take me to. And then now, what I usually do, I usually just add my address, but the address is a longer process, so I am going to have to do it in a different video, but I'm going to show you how you can browse, and I'm going to show you a little peek on the address itself. It is now up to you to browse all you want. This is an account that I used before, so I have purchased some stuff on this account, and I'm going to show you what I have purchased shortly. I think this is one of them that I used to get the $70 allowance, and I got all these for about $16 thereabout. Yes. If you want to add some things to your cart, all you have to do is browse. Once you've seen the thing that you like, you click on it, and then now you can add it to carts. You can add your stuff to the cart and you'll see it in your cart. And there's so many things on here that you can add. If you don't watch it, trust me, you'll get addicted. So this is how the cart looks. This is inside the cart, right? And then now I wanted to just show you a little glimpse of what you would do if you're adding your address. But as I said before, I'm going to have to do another video. So I click on settings. You can find settings at the top right hand corner, and you can just add your address there. So I will definitely do another video to show you what you need to add, because you need your location, your first name, last name, phone number, among other things.